Enjoy the journey on Mother's Day.
The local author wrote a book that's filled with laughs and memories that no mom will soon forget. Melissa and Stephanie are with her this morning. Hi, you three.
Hi, you guys. Yeah, thanks so much for joining us. This is our new little PvP lounge.
I love this little area here.
We've got a local author and mom here. She wrote this book called Momservations, which means
Mom Observations.
Right. The observations that moms makes, because sometimes it's kind of funny.
Yeah.
It's kind of funny.
It has to be funny or you'd cry.
Exactly. Kelly Wheeler, that's well put. It has to be funny or you would cry. And you even published this yourself.
Yes, I did. I was tired of waiting for my dream to happen, and I decided to make it happen.
And sometimes you just need to be reminded that you are a mom.
Right.
Because we let the daily grind pass us by. There's so many times where I have to stop and think, you know what? I really should enjoy this because in 5 years, he's not going to want to hang out with me. They're not going to want to hang out with me. That's part of the message here.
Right, it is. And my son at night will say, Mom, will you lay down with me and give me a kiss? And I'm like, well, I got to go do laundry. I got to finish the dishes. And you go, no. Yeah, I will, because this moment will pass. One day he's going to be like, Mom, shut the door, get out. So,
Drop me off at the corner.
Right, exactly.
Anymore.
Exactly.